Hello everyone, I am your computer teacher Miss Madhuri from California Public School. So class 3rd, today we are going to start lesson number 3rd and this is a new chapter, that is word processor and introduction, and today date is 29 June 2020. So students, let's begin. So what is word processor? As word processor is a software that helps us to type text on a computer. So Microsoft Word is a word processing software. So what is Microsoft? Microsoft Word is a word processing software. As we use a notebook to write words and sentences, so in the same way we can use MS Word to type the text on a computer. So जैसे हम नोटबुक की हेल्प से वर्ड राइट करते हैं या कोई सेंटेंस राइट करते हैं, सो इन द सेम वे वी कैन यूज़ MS वर्ड, दैट इज़ माइक्रोसॉफ्ट वर्ड, टू टाइप द टेक्स्ट ऑन अ कंप्यूटर. हियर टेक्स्ट मीन्स एनी वर्ड और सेंटेंसेस. इन कंप्यूटर इट इज़ कॉल्ड टेक्स्ट. तो MS वर्ड की हेल्प से हम क्या टाइप कर सकते हैं? एनी टेक्स्ट ऑन अ कंप्यूटर. सो हियर व्हाट इज़ MS वर्ड? MS Word stands for Microsoft Word, and MS Word was introduced by Microsoft Corporation, that is one of the world's largest company. So that's why it is called Microsoft Word, because it was developed by the Microsoft company. So MS is the short form of Microsoft. So a word processor is an application software that helps us to type, edit and format the text. So with the help of word processor software, we can type the text, we can edit, here edit means we can change the text, and format means we can change or we can improve the appearance of the text. So next topic we have, that is features of MS Word 2010. So now in this chapter we are going to study about MS Word 2010 version. So here are some of the features of MS Word 2010. So first feature of MS Word 2010 is type text as well as add pictures to a document. ऐसा नहीं है कि हम अकेला टेक्स्ट ही टाइप कर सकते हैं, बट वी कैन ऑल्सो ऐड पिक्चर्स टू अवर document. Second feature we have, that is make changes in the text such as inserting, deleting, copying and moving the text. अभी हमने पढ़ा था कि हम एडिट कर सकते हैं टेक्स्ट को. तो कैसे एडिट करना है? वी कैन इंसर्ट अ न्यू टेक्स्ट, वी कैन डिलीट द टेक्स्ट, वी कैन कॉपी द टेक्स्ट एंड वी कैन इवन मूव द टेक्स्ट. So read documents easily and give a presentable look to the text by using different colors, styles and effects. तो हमें टूल्स प्रोवाइड करता है जिसकी हेल्प से हम टेक्स्ट का कलर चेंज कर सकते हैं. वी कैन चेंज द स्टाइल ऑफ द टेक्स्ट एंड वी कैन गिव डिफरेंट इफेक्ट्स टू द टेक्स्ट. सो कीप द डॉक्यूमेंट एरर फ्री बाय यूजिंग द स्पेलिंग एंड ग्रामर फीचर. इसमें फीचर होता है स्पेलिंग एंड ग्रामर चेक. तो अगर हम कोई भी स्पेलिंग बाय मिस्टेक रॉन्ग भी टाइप करते हैं तो ये क्या करता है? ऑटोमेटिकली उसको क्या करता है? करेक्ट भी करता है. नेक्स्ट वी हैव दैट इज़ वी कैन फाइंड एंड रिप्लेस द टेक्स्ट. कोई भी टेक्स्ट, अगर कोई ज़्यादा अमाउंट में हमने टेक्स्ट लिखा है तो हमने कुछ फाइंड करना है या किसी वर्ड को रिप्लेस करना है, देन डायरेक्टली वी कैन फाइंड एंड रिप्लेस ऑल्सो. नेक्स्ट वी कैन सेट मार्जिन, स्पेसिंग, पेपर साइज, पेज बॉर्डर लगा सकते हैं ईजिली एंड गिव अ नीट लुक टू द डॉक्यूमेंट. So save the text for future use. We can also save the text and print a part of the document or the entire document. We can also print, means उसकी hard copy निकाल सकते हैं document की. Next we print a number of copies within a short time. शॉर्ट टाइम में हम नंबर ऑफ कॉपीज़ को क्या कर सकते हैं? प्रिंट भी करवा सकते हैं जो हमने टेक्स्ट अभी टाइप किया है. नेक्स्ट वी हैव, दैट इज़ हाउ वी कैन स्टार्ट MS वर्ड. अगर हमने कुछ टेक्स्ट टाइप करना है, देन फर्स्टली देयर इज़ नीड टू ओपन MS वर्ड, दैट इज़ माइक्रोसॉफ्ट वर्ड. सो हाउ वी कैन ओपन? फर्स्टली वी हैव टू click on the start button. Then second step is click on all programs. So when you will click on the start button, then there is option that is all programs. We will click on this. then it will display all programs or all softwares that are installed in our computer. Then we have to, third step is we have to click on the Microsoft Office, and in the Microsoft Office we have to choose, select the Microsoft Word 2010, Microsoft Word 2010, and after selecting Microsoft Word 2010, this one window will open. This one window, this one is Microsoft Word 2010 window. So next we have, that is components of Microsoft Word 2010. Here components means parts of Microsoft Word 2010, means जो Microsoft window open होगी उसमें कौन कौन से parts हैं. So the Word application opens a blank document with the temporary name document1. तो जब आप फर्स्ट टाइम ओपन करोगे Microsoft Word, then there is title bar. This one you know very well about title bar. Title bar is the first bar. So this one is your title bar, and here document1 Microsoft Word is written. Means by default it has name, that is document1, temporary name. So it also display blinking cursor on the top left side of the window waiting for us to type the text. This one is your cursor. Vertical line is called cursor. This one is your cursor. So the open application of Microsoft Word display two windows on the screen. The larger window is called the application window, and the smaller window that is inside it is called the document window. So there are two windows, application window and document window. So where are they? They are, this one is your application window and this one is your document window. Means this one full window is called application window, and in the application window there is document window. This one जो वाइट कलर का पार्ट है, दैट वन इज कॉल्ड डॉक्यूमेंट विंडो. सो द एप्लीकेशन विंडो हेल्प्स द यूजर टू कम्युनिकेट विद द MS वर्ड प्रोग्राम. तो एप्लीकेशन विंडो जो है उसकी हेल्प से क्या कर सकते हैं, यूज़र कम्युनिकेट कर सकते हैं किसके साथ, विद द MS वर्ड प्रोग्राम के साथ. एंड विद द हेल्प ऑफ डॉक्यूमेंट विंडो द यूज़र कैन टाइप द टेक्स्ट, एडिट द टेक्स्ट एंड फॉर्मेट द टेक्स्ट. मीन्स जो डॉक्यूमेंट विंडो है, जो ये वाला पार्ट है, इसमें हम क्या करेंगे, टेक्स्ट टाइप करेंगे, एडिट करेंगे, एंड देन वी कैन ऑल्सो फॉर्मेट द टेक्स्ट. सो फर्स्ट कंपोनेंट ऑफ द, so briefly I am explaining to you. This one is your file tab. These are all tabs like home, page layout, references, mailing, and this one is your quick access toolbar. जो small arrow, that one is called quick access toolbar. This one is called command. First bar is called title bar. This one full part is called ribbon. Next, this one part is called ribbon, and this full area is called groups. मीन्स जो सारी चीज़ें इसमें ग्रुप्स में डिवाइड है. जैसे फॉन्ट के अंदर डिफरेंट ऑप्शंस है, पैराग्राफ के अंदर डिफरेंट ऑप्शंस है पैराग्राफ की, और नेक्स्ट है स्टाइल्स के अंदर डिफरेंट स्टाइल्स हैं. सो दीज पार्ट्स आर कॉल्ड ग्रुप्स. नेक्स्ट दिस वन I have already discussed with you, that is cursor, and with the help of cursor we can type the text here. This one area is called ruler. This one is your working area where you can type the text, and there are two bars, horizontal scroll bar and vertical scroll bar. Horizontal scroll bar is this one, and vertical bar is your this one bar. And with the help of these bars, scroll bars, you can up and down the page, and you can move the page from left to right side. So now we will discuss in detail these components. First one component is your title bar. So the title bar is on the top of the screen. This one is your title bar, and title bar is on the top of the screen, and it display the name of the current document and application in the center. So the minimize, maximize and close buttons are placed on the right side of the title bar. So these are the control button. First one button is minimize button, this one is your maximize button, and last one is your close button. And these three buttons are called control buttons. These are control buttons. Next we have, that is quick access toolbar. So it is present on the title bar. ये कहाँ पे होती है, टाइटल बार के ऊपर ही होती है ये स्मॉल बार. सो इट कंटेन बटन्स फॉर द मोस्ट फ्रीक्वेंटली यूज्ड कमांड्स. बाय डिफॉल्ट सेव, अनडू, रीडू अपीयर ऑन द क्विक एक्सेस टूल बार. So by default this one is your save button. So with the help of these options we can quickly use commands, frequently commands. Next we have that is backstage view. It acts as the central location for managing the Word documents. It helps in creating new documents, saving, opening, printing, sharing documents and so on. So with the help of this option we can create our document, save it, open it and print it, and even we can share also. Next we have that is ribbon. The ribbon is located just below the title bar and it contains several tabs such as file, home, insert, page layout. So this one is your ribbon. Next we have that is file tab, and new file tab of Word 2010 has replaced the office button, and on clicking the file tab we can create a new file, open an existing file, save a file, print a file and perform other tasks. So after clicking on the file tab there are multiple options to create a file, to open an existing file. So according to our requirement we can choose. Next we have that is working area, and it is the large area where you can type, edit and format the text. So in this area we can type our text, edit the text and format the text. Next we have that is ruler. The horizontal ruler measure the width of the document page and it display the margin settings, tab settings and indentation, and the vertical ruler measures the height of the work area. So with the help of ruler we can change the width of the document page. Next we have that is the status bar, and it display the page number, number of words, zoom option, etc. So at the last this one is your status bar. This one bar is called status bar, as page numbers are as status bar is giving information related to pages, words, and zoom in and zoom out options are also available on the status bar. Next we have that is at last we have that is scroll bars. So there are two scroll bars in the Word window, the vertical scroll bar and the horizontal scroll bar. So this one is your vertical scroll bar and this one is your horizontal scroll bar. So with the help of these bars we can up and down the page, and we can move the page from left side to right side. So your all components are completed now. So take care students, have a wonderful day.